Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, this is Riti Mukta. I'll be really happy if you'll take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video I will show you guys a beginner's makeup kit and how we'll create a beautiful look with a very minimal makeup product. So yeah, so if you guys wanna know and you guys are excited for this video, then without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. Yes guys, to create this look we only need this much of product. Wow, right? So as beginners, we all know that we don't wanna invest our money on a lot of expensive products, as we are learning. So for that I have taken very minimal product that are really essential for makeup, and as beginners we must need those products for our makeup. So the very first thing is this aloe vera gel I have taken from Mamaearth. You can get any aloe vera gel that is available on stores out there. So for this time हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे एलोवेरा जेल को एज अ प्राइमर, और यू कैन से एज अ मॉइस्चराइजर. I have taken a generous amount of gel on my hands and आप लोग देख सकते हैं मैं उसको पूरा फेस पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ, ऑल्सो मैं नेक पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. You guys can see how beautifully my skin absorbed that aloe vera gel. So we are done with our primer. And now I'll take this Lakme 925cc cream. So as beginners, you guys can completely use foundation if you want. But I have taken this 925 cc cream. You guys also can use BB cream, CC cream that are really great, and you can choose a shade that is close to your complexion or your skin tone. So yeah, I have taken a generous amount of CC cream on back of my hand. I'll use my fingers to apply it. Applied it all over my face, also on my neck. Remember, your fingers are the greatest tool. एंड उसी वजह से मैं अपने फिंगर के हेल्प से पूरा फेस पे फाउंडेशन को अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. And yeah, this applied really nicely. And you guys, as you are using a CC cream, so I don't expect much, as it says your skin but better. So as you can see, small spots out here, those are visible. So वैसे मेरे को कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि आपका स्किन जैसा है, जस्ट चेरिश इट. सो या, if you guys want a full coverage look, all the spots to be hidden, then you can go for a full coverage foundation. But as this is a beginner's makeup tutorial, so I'm fine using a CC cream. So I have taken a concealer from Miss Claire. This concealer is really inexpensive and the coverage is like bomb. So I'm going to use this today. You'll see. एंड अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ माई हैंड, और मैं कंसीलर को पूरा अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ. एज यू कैन सी, आई एम यूजिंग माई हैंड एंड ब्लेंडिंग इट wherever I have applied the concealer. And आप लोग देख सकते हैं how beautiful my skin looks. We are done with our base and now we'll set our face. For that I will take this Lakme compact. With the help of this applicator, I'm applying the compact and setting my base. And now I'll apply blush. As you can see, मैं blush को अपने cheeks, nose और almost पूरा face पे apply करती हूँ because I love the effect that it gives to my face. So yeah. Now I will take the Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'll use this as a eyebrow pencil, also as a kajal.
So as you can see, I'm taking very little amount and I'm blending it immediately. And I'm doing this for my both eyebrows, as you can see. As it can smudge, that's why I'm setting it with the help of the same compact. And here I have taken the blush and with the help of my finger, I'm applying it on my lid as a eyeshadow, as you can see. And look at this all natural pink beautiful eyes. Oh my goodness. Right now I'm applying the kajal really close to my lower lash line. And again with the help of my fingers, as you can see, I'm blending the kajal that I've applied to get that smoky effect. Wow, see, so simple yet so beautiful. I just can't believe this.
If you guys want to add eyeliner, then you can completely add that, but today I'm not feeling like, so I'm only gonna use mascara. This is Nykaa Super Sizer mascara, and you guys, this is really inexpensive and this mascara is like bomb. You need to have this mascara. This is waterproof and volumizing mascara. So today I'm going to use this mascara, and let me tell you guys that mascara is a must, cause mascara and brows, because these two things that I believe completely changes your features and gives a very different dimension to your face. So you need to apply, or you must apply mascara, and you must do your eyebrows.
I'm applying it on my upper and lower lashes, as you can see.
So guys, let me show you the difference.
So I've applied mascara in this eye and look at this eye. I haven't applied any mascara. See the difference. I have applied mascara on both my eyes and you guys can see how beautiful this looks.
And you guys, for lipstick, I'm going to use the Nykaa Mini Metallic Lipstick. This is also really inexpensive, and the pigmentation, you guys, it have next level, I'm telling you. See how tiny and cute this is. So I'm going to apply it. See, if you guys want, then you can apply highlighter. If you don't want, then you don't need to apply highlighter, but today I'm feeling like I'll apply highlighter. So I'm using this one. I bought this from Amazon, and this one is also really inexpensive. So I will use my fingers to apply highlighter.
So I'm highlighting all the high points of my face, as you can see. And also I'm applying it on the inner corner of my eyes just to pop that up. Also on my eyebrow bone.
And girl, look at that glow. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope I helped some beginners out there and helped you guys to know how we can use very minimal product and create such beautiful look. So if you like this video, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so that you will never miss any of my videos that I post. And don't forget to like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned for such amazing videos. I'll see you guys very soon.